Your voice AI agent is only as smart as the knowledge it has, but with modern day no-code AI platforms like retellai and n8n, giving it that knowledge is easier than ever. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your voice AI agent way smarter just by pasting in your business website URL. That's it. This voice AI agent will automatically crawl your entire website, pull all the important information from your service pages, frequently asked questions, the about section, and every other page that exists inside your website, and instantly train your voice agent so it can answer customer questions just like it worked in your business for years. So let me show you a quick demo, and then we're going to go ahead and build this thing out. Alright, so in order to show you the demo, I'm going to have to quickly bring in some of the JSON files, both for the voice agent and also for my n8n here, and then we're going to go ahead and build this thing out. So I'm going to head over to my community real quickly so that way I can bring over these JSON workflows or the templates here. Let's see, I'm going to go ahead to resources, to my voice agents. And again, don't worry, I'm going to build this thing out so you don't have to worry about this right now. Let me just quickly bring it over. So the good thing is both for retellai and for n8n. And again, if you're not familiar with those platforms, they're both no-code platforms. retellai is obviously the voice platform, and then n8n is the backend as well. So both of them support JSON template imports and export, which is amazing. So this one, I'm just gonna export the retail or download this retellai blueprint. So that's the retail one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go to my retellai, and I'm gonna create I'm gonna click on import here, and I'm gonna literally just click on this, and so that way I can import this file that we just downloaded. If I click on save, now this is going to bring over, this is the one that they brought over. And what this does is it basically brings over all of the information, including the prompt, all of the corresponding functions, and everything else, including the knowledge base that's available. And like I said, that's a great thing about retellai. You can import and export these JSON files very easily. So that way, once you build this thing out, you can send it to somebody else, or for clients, for example. It's very easy to do that. So same thing, I'm going to go ahead and download the n8n blueprint. So this will be for the backend, but it's just good to have them all there ready to go. So I'm going to go to my three dots. I'm going to click on these three dots and click on import file, and I'm going to bring over this JSON file now. All right, perfect. So now everything is all set to go. So let's go ahead and test this thing out. So on the right hand side, as you can see, it says click on test your agent here. So this is basically equivalent of me calling this particular agent, because there's an inbound phone number attached to this, but this is just a lot easier for testing purposes. So all I have to do is click on test, and then we can go ahead and interact with this thing.
Hi, this is Katie with Tice Valley Dental. How can I assist you today?
Hey Katie, how's it going?
Hello? I'm doing well, thank you for asking. How can I help you today at Tice Valley Dental?
Yeah, before I ask, I just had a quick question. Like, where are you guys located? What's your address?
We are located at 1984 Tice Valley Boulevard, Walnut Creek, California, 94595. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, also, what's your phone number again, just in case what's the phone number there to get in contact with you guys?
Our phone number is 925-933-2410. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Yeah, I wanted to know about your special offers. Do you guys have any special offers?
Yes, we do have special offers at Tice Valley Dental. Please note that some offers are for new patients only, such as a free consultation. Offers cannot be combined with other offers, and some restrictions may apply. If you'd like details about specific offers, please feel free to call us at 925-933-2410. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, what's your special offer for teeth whitening right now?
Our current special offer for teeth whitening is $99. For more details, please feel free to call us at 925-933-2410. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's fine. Thank you. I appreciate it. I just wanted to get some information. All right, so that was kind of a demo. As you saw, I asked it very specific questions from this website, and you saw that it did a really good job. It actually looked, this one-day crown is, I guess, Tice Valley Dental's one of their special offers. And then also I specifically wanted to know exactly the special offers here. I asked him a question about this teeth whitening deals that they have, which is $99, and it did a really good job of grabbing that. Again, I didn't mention any of this inside the prompt, and you will see exactly when we build this out, or when we add this knowledge. it's able to essentially grab all of the information from this website and all of the pages that's corresponding to that website. And all I did was literally just copy and pasted this URL, the website URL, and it was able to figure out and extract all of the information. Now, there's also the backend side of this, which is the NNN here, because all of the information that's coming in will be sent to us via this webhook setting right here. So this is the webhook that is set up for this particular workflow to receive all of the information, the transcription of that call after that interaction is done. Basically, is sent over right here in the transcript, and this sends that information to this AI agent, which then processes all of that and grabs all of the information and updates our CRM. Again, I did a step-by-step tutorial on this as well. Feel free to check that out in my previous video. I'll put the link in the description. But anyways, all right, so let's go ahead and build this thing out now. So if you don't have an account, as I mentioned before, they give you a free account with $10 credits, which is plenty. So go ahead and sign up for the account. You'll basically come right here. So all you have to do is click on voice agent. And obviously, for people who are inside my community, all you have to do is just go to YouTube resources and then just download all of those, these two templates, and that will give you a good base to start with, good foundation to start with. So that way all you have to do is change things. But for those of you who are not, all you have to do is come and click on create AI agent. You'll kind of click on voice agent. We're going to be using a single prompt agent, this one, because it's very simple to use. So I'm just going to click on start from blank. You're going to click on create. So the goal of this video is obviously to just showcase the knowledge base, how to add the knowledge base. You can keep the prompt very, very simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy it from right here, and I'm going to show you exactly what to put instead. So let me just use this. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. Okay, so I'm going to come back and paste that over here. Okay, so the only thing I'm going to do is just add the knowledge base here. Again, like if you want to build out if you want to see how to build out these different functions that are available, feel free to check out my other video because I did a step-by-step tutorial there. But the goal is for this video is to show you how easily you can add the knowledge base. So after you put the prompt, and again, you don't have to put this prompt, you can just basically put whatever you want, because like I said, this collect and caller information is being done for the back end here. In this case, obviously, we don't need to do that. So to add knowledge base is very, very simple. So all you have to do is click on the knowledge base here, and it says right here, add knowledge base to provide context to the agent. So you're going to click on this plus button, add, and this will load up your previous knowledge base that you've already added. I've added this PI workshop FAQ and the dental for that previous agent that I did. So that's why it's loading those links. But if you haven't built any, or if you haven't added any knowledge base, this is going to look blank, obviously. So all you have to do is just click on add new knowledge base. And this is going to bring up this page where this will show you all of the different knowledge bases that you have already added and the corresponding documentation. So this was for my previous one, this ThaiValleyDental.com. As you can see, it says 26 pages, but we're going to go ahead and click on the plus button here. So there's multiple ways you can add this. So let's go ahead and give it a name. So this one I'm going to do test agent. Okay. And then on the documents, you're going to click on add. There's multiple ways. So you can add text, which basically means you have to manually add things. Just add text manually. You can upload documentation. So you can upload any kind of files like PDF or Word document up to 100 megabytes, or you can add web pages. And this is what I want to focus on because for businesses, obviously this is the best option to do. So all you have to do here is just add a URL. But the great thing is that this has the ability to actually crawl the website, the URL that you put in here, and grab all of the information that's inside that website, including multiple pages that's inside there. So let's go ahead and I'm going to go to Google Maps here. I'm near San Francisco. So I just basically search for dentist, and these are all the options that came up. So let's go ahead and just choose something like this one. Let's go ahead and grab this one, Potrero Hill Dental, right? So I'm just going to go to their website. This is their website that they have. They have, as you can see, multiple pages. So I'm just going to copy this main URL here. As you can see, they have like services, they have insurance information, and you'll see in a little bit that they will pull up all of that information. So if I go back to my retail agent here as well as I was earlier, so all I have to do here on the URL address is paste that now. So I'm just going to click on save, and this is going to select sitemaps, meaning now it's going to pull up all of the pages that are inside that URL, right? And as you can see, these are all of the different pages that are available inside this PotreroHillDental.com. There's 35 pages available, right? Including the home page, the where you go, the contact information, book online, office tour, insurance, everything else, right? So you can literally just click on select all. You're going to click on save. And if you click on save again, what this is going to do right here, as you can see, it says in progress. So this is going to load all of the different information that's within that website. And it's going to crawl through all of the different pages, including the services, everything that's inside. There's the about page, all of the information that's there. So it's going to essentially pull up, grab all of these informations from different pages. And all I did was just put that one URL, the main website URL. And if you want, for example, to specifically grab different pages instead of the whole website, then you can choose that as well. But as you can see, it very quickly uploaded it. And the great thing is you can always come back. Let's say if your website gets updated, all you have to do is click on sync web pages, and this is going to update this website again. As you can see, this is all of the 35 pages that are within that URL. It pulled up all of that information, right? So that's literally all you have to do. So now if we go back if we go back to our agents here, go back to the single prompt agent. Whoop, I forgot to save actually. It's this one right here. So now if I click on, let me name this agent, test inbound knowledge base, I'm going to say. Okay. Perfect. So now all I have to do is here, let me quickly save this first. Now I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page. Click on knowledge base, click on add, and there you go. Now that test agent is right here. And as you can see, now I have access to the information that's within that website. So let me go ahead and change the name to, what was the website that we looked at? Potrero Hill Dental, right? That's the one. So let me just copy that actually. Go back to my agent here. It's this one, yep. So now we can change this to this. Paste, yep, Potrero Hill. And that's it. That's literally all you need, right? Very, very simple, very, very easy. So let me click on save here. Now I'm just going to test the agent again.
Hello. Thank you for calling Potrero Hill Dental. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I wanted to see if I could get some information about your services there. First of all, where are you guys located? What address?
Of course. We are located at 930 16th Street, San Francisco, California, 94107. Our office is at the corner of 16th and 7th Street in the Potrero 1010 building. Is there anything else you'd like to know about our location or services?
Yeah, I wanted to see what kind of insurance do you accept?
Great question. We accept most PPO dental insurance plans. Currently, we are in network with Level, Guardian, and MetLife. However, starting October 1st, 2024, we will no longer be in network with Guardian and MetLife.
Okay, you get the idea. As you see now, it has, I was asking specific information about like the insurance information, and it correctly said they accept all PPO dental insurance, just exactly like it was saying. And it also kind of talked about how, the other in-house or whatever it talked about when the October something was becoming new or something like that. And also I asked them specifically where they were located. It provided the exact address and then also the location of their office. So as you can see, very easily you can grab all of the information that's within these pages. And this could be very powerful because, again, if you're building this for an actual client, obviously knowledge base is very, very important, especially if it's a receptionist AI agent. Then this becomes even more powerful, where now instead of manually updating your voice agents, you can go ahead and all you have to do is just sync the pages inside your AI agents or voice agents knowledge base, and it will automatically update that information. So it just makes it very unique and very cohesive. Again, this post analysis this was something that's just part of that agent that I built. This is optional. Obviously, you don't have to do this, but this basically gives you additional information, or you can grab additional information from the transcript of that call. So that way, if you wanted to do something further with the post-call analysis, you can certainly do that from the webhook here. Again, I did the step-by-step tutorial on this. You can check out my previous video that I did, that inbound agent that I did. And then obviously, if you're in the community, you can grab all of the resources from the page there. Anyways, hopefully you found that helpful. Hopefully that was an easy way. I didn't want to make this too long. Again, if you want to see exactly how to build these, make sure you check out the previous videos. And I'm planning to do a lot more videos with retellai because this is such a great, powerful, and such a great no-code tool for building production ready, and especially for clients and everything when it comes to voice agents that doesn't require any kind of coding or anything like that. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you want to learn how to make money with AI, make sure you join the community. We've got a great space for people to collaborate, and people are always collaborating with each other. We have a classroom section that's designed for everybody, including beginners. And we also have an entire AI agency course where we have day-to-day accountability guys, and we show you and talk about our experiences from our AI agency that we showcase, including case studies, how to run client calls, how to run discovery calls, how to price your services, and all that good stuff. So make sure you join the community. I'll put the link in the description. Hopefully I'll see you inside. Thanks for watching. See you next time.